be about 11 o'clock because those things just started chiming. I was over in the toilet over here. I just came out, washed my hands. This flag was flying then, it stopped now. And those bells started going off. Clang, clang, clang. Maybe calling the faithful to prayer. That's the Church of England place, that, you know. St Mary Magdalene's. It'll be 11 o'clock. It's Tuesday today, isn't it? Right, I've decided, rather than try and play here again, I'm going to go to Bristol, straight off, find out where I'm staying. I mean, you can't see a thing from there. Find out where I'm staying, and then get myself set up proper and do a real good session in Bristol, God willing. Bye for now.